Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I know in the last video I said I would do nested if else, but I decided not to for this video because in the last program that we did together, we only did if and else. We touched base on else if, but we didn't do it in the program. So I thought if we do it in today's video, maybe in the next video I can do nested if else, because if I just do nested if else, many of you will not understand and will be confused. So I thought today could be a little refresh of if else statements with else if, because I did not do that in my last program. So let's get started. We need the name, the date, and now the program description. So this program will display greater than or less than or equal based on the user inputs for X and Y. Variables will be created and the program will ask for user inputs. Okay, so let's do our import statement. Semicolon, our public class, and I'm just gonna write it else if because that's what we're really touching up on. Okay, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, tab over, and now let's write our main method statement. Open curly bracket and then close curly bracket. And let's define our variables. So int x semicolon, int y semicolon. Now let's write our scanner statement. Scanner in equals new scanner system.in semicolon. Okay, now let's write our SOAP statement. So system.out.println, type a number, and then x equals in dot next int open parentheses close parentheses semicolon, and then system dot out dot println, type another number, y equals in dot next int semicolon. And now this is where we start our if and else statement. So if x is greater than y, open curly brackets, close curly brackets, system dot put ln greater than. Okay, now for else if, we're going to be doing y, oh sorry, x less than y. In curly brackets, system dot out dot print ln less than. And then our last statement, which is else, which is just system dot out dot print ln equal. Okay, so what this program is doing is basically it's going to ask the user to type a number for x and type a number for y. Based off of that, it's going to be using this if-else loop. Basically, let's say that x was greater than y, so then this statement will print out. But let's say if it wasn't, then it would go on to the second statement, which is else if, which is saying x is greater than y. Then it's going to print out less than. Let's say this was wrong and this one was wrong. So the only possible solution will be else, meaning they're equal to each other. So let's run this program out. So let's compile and save it first. Now let's run the program. Let me make this a bit bigger. Okay, type a number. I'm going to type in 9, and then I'm going to type in 8, and it says greater than. Now I'm going to run it again. I'm going to type in 13, and then 21, says less than, and then I'm going to run it one last time and write 44, and 44, and it says equal. So hopefully you have a good base on what if, else if, and else statements are. And in the next video, I will definitely be doing a nested if else, which is a bit complicated, but I would say it's fun to do. But I'll see you guys in the next one.